Hi everyone! To make your balcony more beautiful and romantic, we can plant some baskets of purslane flowers. The flowers bloom quickly, not taking much time. Today I will show you how to use used plastic bottles to grow beautiful baskets of purslane flowers at low cost and without taking much time. I used a 2-liter plastic bottle, cut it in half and took the bottom. I used a heat gun to make drainage holes to avoid waterlogging for the purslane when planting.
Please subscribe to the channel, leave comments below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much.
And I used a 500 milliliter plastic bottle cut in half and took the top part. Then used a hot air blower to make holes to mark the locations when planting purslane. We can make holes as needed, and the more even the holes are, the more evenly the flowers will grow and bloom, and the more beautiful they will look.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
After preparing all the ingredients, we start choosing purslane varieties to plant. We need to choose healthy, plump, and green purslane branches so that when planted, the flowers have enough strength to develop from a young age. With the portulaca branch, we cut off all the leaves and small branches because when planted, nutrients are not nourished, so they will also wither and fall, affecting the main flower branch. And now we can put the purslane stems into the holes on top of the 500 milliliter bottle that we have prepared. We can use zip ties to tie the purslane flower heads like I did, so that when the flowers grow, they will have the desired shape. Does it look nice? After finishing, we use scissors to cut off the excess and missing parts to make the flower basket look more beautiful.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
And now comes the part of preparing the soil for the purslane to grow. Worm castings can provide nutrients for flowers, while also having high antibacterial properties, loosening the soil, and being environmentally friendly. And now, I just need to pour soil into the mouth of the bottle to grow purslane. It's simple, isn't it? With a 2-liter bottle, we add enough soil to cover the top of the 500 milliliter bottle, and it will become a beautiful flower basket. After planting, we need to water the flowers to keep them moist to grow. And this time, I used aloe vera soaked in water to water the flowers. Aloe vera can provide nutrients for flowers and stimulate root growth, increase nutrient absorption, improve resistance, and help plants withstand adverse conditions. After only 5 days, the purslane has sprouted and branched well. At this time, we need to trim the flower basket neatly, care for and fertilize the flowers. Pruning the excess branches will create conditions for new branches to grow. At this time, I will also use a curtain above to support the flower basket neatly as desired. At this stage, I use a stimulant mixed with water to water the plants, helping them germinate more strongly and the roots grow stronger.
Please subscribe, like, and comment below the video. Thank you very much.
After 10 days of planting, the portulaca has grown many new branches, lush and healthy. At this stage, the plant is preparing to flower, so we need to pay attention. I will prune all the lower branches so as not to waste nutrients feeding them, as my goal is to only have the plant bloom at the bud tip. Hanoi beer contains a certain amount of sugar and starch, along with 90% water. When watered, the ingredients in the beer will seep into the soil and act as a clean fertilizer for the flowers. It only took 20 days to grow portulaca flowers. Using used plastic bottles, I have more flower beds to make the balcony more beautiful. Now, I can enjoy flowers after tiring working days.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe, leave a comment below the video, and visit my channel often. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.